On my back to CapCut, let me show you how to create a blinds transition. As always, we put our two clips in the same video channel in the timeline. We go to transitions, open the drop down, and you can find it under slide. It's a little bit closer to the bottom, so scroll down. If you can't see it, you might have to download it. Once you've got it, you see this plus sign, left click on it. You might get a warning message, just confirm it. And if you play it, it should already run. You can also drag and drop it onto the position where you want it to be. You have to left click on it if you want to adjust the duration on the right. Let me go to 1.5. And now we can see it pretty clearly. And that's how easy you can create a blinds transition in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.